Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook we could not confirm your identity error problem? This usually happens for one of these reasons. The ID photo is blurry or cropped that you uploaded. The name or date of birth on your Facebook account does not match your ID, or you uploaded a photo of an ID shown on another phone or computer screen. Facebook specifically reject this. Now, if you want to resolve this issue, you will need to submit your ID again. However, before submitting your ID this time, there are several points you need to keep in your mind. Now I will outline those points. First of all, make sure that the ID clearly shows your name, photo and date of birth, and then make sure your account name and date of birth match your official ID. Upload a clear government issued ID like passport, national ID card or driving license. Don't upload a picture of phone or computer screen. Upload a real physical ID photo and then try to log in from a device and Wi-Fi or mobile network you have used for Facebook before. And last point is, if you made several failed attempts, wait 24 to 48 hours before submitting another verification. After following all the points, now click on try again. Choose your ID type correctly and then submit your ID again. Hopefully this time your problem will be solved successfully. If still your problem remaining, then open any browser, click on search bar and search Facebook Help Center. Go to Facebook Help Center option, click on search option and search confirm your identity. After search it, now scroll down and here you can see confirm your identity on Facebook. Click on this option. Now scroll down. Here you can see, was this helpful option? Yes or no? Just click on no option and then select the solution does not work option. Now click on submit. Just write down the text that I have provided here. Add your account username in place of your username and then click on submit option. After submit your appeal, Facebook team will review your account. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.